Hey NASA, here's my idea for a layout for my satellite, the Omler satellite. I'm thinking we could get Porsche to control frequency order for programming, for cable and communications, for radio and telephone, as well as television and internet. Basically, what you see here is like a flying saucer pretty much as a satellite. And what we have, this is Daniel Hirsch's patent, Quincy, Illinois, Peoria, Illinois, aka Yormfeld Yomler. So what you have here is your main center alloy of sphere on 0 as its element, which is going to be all metals of rare material such as gold, platinum, bronze, silver, copper, materials such as that, iron, all those materials, steel. We're going to leave like tin and aluminum and lead out of the deal. That isn't something safe for frequentorial direction. It would be mixed with gravitanium, which is a molecular structure of helium, mercury, hydrogen, and oxygen, which would be compounded to a bond surface of the metal material for the center diode of sphere, with an excess residuation for structure of fine material as well, just titanium for connectatory status without gravitanium. Then what we have here, these little dots you see, right here, 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 that are all connected to every lining of the structure, are omni-frequentorial mass generators, Big Bang gravity systems, basically a artificial solar system inside of a container. So what it would be is, it would be a titanium water molecule, a CO2 molecule, with helium compressed at 1,000% mass pressure of coal and iron container. Titanium avodox is the container as coal and iron for a titanium avodox. At frequency after electronic frequency of capacity of the system generator node, the Omni node, for frequency, and all other forms of technology of mass structures and atomic induction material. Which what we have here in the secondary form of a product here is the systems of a hexagon memory system. And what that would be is a hard drive and temporary drive systems of locadium. And what locadium would be is hydrogen, mercury, helium, and nitrogen. You should get a crystalline compound to just fill the structure without having to use a bonding material. What you have here around the edges connected is a subleveling gravitanium helium object.
Danny, it's ready. It's ready.
What you have here all around the edge is a multiple system of diaphragms for connectatorial status with communication frequency. And this would be a two-way integer system on pi instead of sphere. Probably of a box logic to put square around it instead of cube, which cube could be a process of structure in connectatorial links to this subject here. to analyze cube outside of this particle with the structural material of frequency order. This is for propulsion. These are for communication. Ambience of frequency and propulsion. Study the wind, and we'll test for matter on the structure of that outcome. Daniel Christopher Hirsch, Jornfeld Yamler. Thank you very much.